Okay, I have this great idea, people. I'm gonna feed my cricket into a spider web.
You're gonna do what?
Feed a cricket to a spider web.
You're gonna feed it to a spider web? Don't you mean a spider?
No, to a spider web.
Okay. Where's the spider at?
Over here.
Where? Let me see. Can I see the spider? Okay, I see the spider. Throw it somewhere right in there. Go. Does he do anything?
Get away. That's what we're gonna do.
Do anything? Oh, there we go.
Get ready for it. Fantastic play. Now, we must commit the biting. Biting spider web. Ooh, it's good, good, good. Yummy, yummy. I like crickets. Don't do that. You're taking them off.
How was that? Pee-pee.
This is a dog pee-pee.
This is Pee-pee. Pee-pee loves her little baby stuffed animal.
Ow.
Throw it up. Woo, Pee-pee. Okay, let's go find Miss Cutie Pie. Where is Miss Cutie Pie? Oh, there's Miss Cutie Pie. Hey, Miss Cutie Pie. Hey. Come here. Come here. She's like, what in the world? Come here, Cutie Pie. Oh, yeah. She's so cute. Car. I heard a car. Oh my gosh, a car. No way. A car.
I wonder if there's any squirrels out here.
Why are you obsessed with squirrels?
Yeah, my sister's playing.
Okay, well, I think he wants to go find a squirrel, so talk to y'all later. Bye.
Bye. Peace.
Peace. Say it again.
Peace. Peace.